Hello, hello, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be trying out some of Gellen's products that they had sent me. Let's see here. I've got a nail removal kit that goes with gel polish. This will remove gel polish off of natural nails. You're not supposed to use it on acrylics. I also have a base coat and a top coat that they so graciously sent. They sent a ton of stuff, and I promised I was going to get to all of it. So today, that's what we're going to do. So I am going to go ahead and I am going to polish 2 of your fingers. So I'm just going to... It's like a quick manicure, and I should have had a file out, and I didn't. So, let's see here. When you're doing a gel manicure, you're putting it on natural nails. You just want to scuff up the natural nail a little bit, not too much. Okay. And we just want to see how this remover works, how well. And you get to keep this file. Okay. It is all yours. So I'm going to do it the way the instructions tell me to. Okay. And then after that, I am just going to clean them off with rubbing alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay. Alrighty. So we're going to do the base coat first. Okay. I can't get over the size of these bottles. Full size, gorgeous. Okay, and then we're going to put them in the lamp for 60 seconds to let them cure. Okay, go ahead and put those in. Okay, and then I'm going to use one of my new colors. This is 089. And then we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. And I am going to say 1 coat should be enough. Okay, so go ahead and put that in the lamp for 60 seconds. All right, and then we're gonna put the top coat on real quick. So I am doing this the way the kit tells you to, and with what they sent. I'm not going to be adding anything to it. Like I always add primer to everything. I put primer down before I put anything on the nails, but like I said, we're just going to follow the instructions. Okay, go ahead and put that one in the lamp. All right, so we have the polish on the nails, and we've done it in the order it's supposed to be done. So now we're going to go ahead and remove the gel polish. So yeah, these are cured. What you want to do is you're going to scuff that up just a little bit. You want to break that seal. Okay, and then we'll take everything out of the box.
pretty color though.
You like that? I love that color. That blue is so pretty. It's like the ocean. And they sent another blue kit that we have to swatch. Okay, so we've got these all scuffed up now. And then we're going to go into the box. And here we go. All right, so I unboxed this one yesterday, and it comes with the manual and everything. Shows you how to do it. And we're just going to do what it says. So we'll put this aside. Okay. And then it comes with a cuticle stick, or a cuticle pusher, I should say, not stick. So this is nice to have. All right, so this is what we're going to do. I am going to go ahead and put this on, and then you're supposed to let it sit 2 to 5 minutes. All right, so we're going to put this on. We're going to let it sit, and then we're going to come back and see how it's doing. So tiny little fingers. Okay. And when I unboxed this, I told you, like, you can see the way it looks in the bottle. This is how it's supposed to look. Now, when you're putting this on, you want to make sure you don't get it on the skin. Just on the area that has the gel polish. Okay, just trying to be extra careful. All right, so we're going to let that sit for 2 to 5 minutes. It's already starting to work. You can kind of see that. Okay, yeah, so we're going to let it sit. All right, so it's been about 3 minutes, I want to say. And we're just going to go ahead and start scraping this off. Does that hurt?
Mm-mm.
And I might have gone a little too sparingly on it. So I will have to put a little bit more on. But I mean, it's coming off, so that's a good thing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more on. And it, like I said, it's getting the gist of it. I'm trying really hard not to get it on the skin, so the cuticles, around the cuticles might be a little bit harder to get off. But I will probably just file that, because we're going to do another video with the tips. Okay. You doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to let that sit for a few minutes, and then we'll come back and scrape that off. All right, so we're going to go ahead and scrape the rest of this off. Well, it works. That's a good thing. Okay. So we'll get this scraped off and then I'll have her wash her hands. And then normally after you would do that, you would put cuticle oil on. You always want to have cuticle oil. But like I said, we're going to be putting on the tips that Gellen sent in the kit. So I am going to skip the cuticle oil. Okay. All right. So I'm going to have her wash her hands and then we'll be right back. All right. So this is the end result after putting the base coat, a color, and a top coat, and then using the nail polish remover. It really works. So, okay, that's awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this video and then we're going to start another one. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and I am going to be right back.